This is what happens to your body when you drink ginger water on an empty stomach. If you have not heard about ginger water, then you have not heard about one of the most effective ways to boost your health in a delicious and natural way. Numerous studies have confirmed the amazing health benefit of ginger, and this drink is a tasty and refreshing way to enjoy them. It helps digestion, prevent nausea during pregnancy, and its high antioxidant content prevent vertigo, common colds and flu. The consumption of ginger water has been proven to help in the prevention of heart disease. This beneficial route reduces the blood levels of LDL cholesterol, the low density lipid cholesterol or bad cholesterol. The condition of elevated levels of the LDL cholesterol is known as atherosclerosis, which is disease where plaque accumulates in the arteries and hardens them. Researchers have found that ginger can be as effective as ibuprofen, which is popular, a non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug commonly taken to soothe pain and cause absolutely no side effect. While ibuprofen causes damage of the stomach and intestine, the ginger water soothes menstrual cramps, alleviates knee pain, and relieves osteoarthritis symptoms. Despite cancer, it is also related to depression, Alzheimer's disease, depression, inflammatory bowel disease, and psoriasis. Hence, as ginger effectively suppresses this protein, it is able to prevent and treat these illnesses. Therefore, prepare this healthy drink and optimize your health. Ginger water recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 2 inch of fresh ginger root, the juice of half lemon, 2 to 3 cup of water, raw honey optional. Instructions: grate the ginger root into a bowl and add the water and the lemon juice in the end. Sweeten it with honey. Leave it for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, and strain it into a glass. You can drink the ginger water while lukewarm or cool throughout the entire day. Thanks for watching.